So if you want to fix this problem, this is what you have to do. You just have to go to your phone menu like this. Then what you have to do is to move from this A section to M section. So you just have to scroll down to the M section. And as you can see, we are right here in the M section, and this is M. So you're going to see message over here. So let's tap on the messages app. Now you're going to see app info. You just have to tap on the app info when these two options pop up on the phone screen. Then after that, when you get over here, tap on these notifications and make sure this is toggled on. And after that, you're going to see all these turn on. It's very necessary and important. So after doing this, you have to go back, then you tap on permission, and you're going to see all these permission, which is the call logs, camera, contact, files, and media, location, microphone, phone, SMS are all allowed. And as you can see, they are all under allowed, which means they are all allowed and not denied. So you just have to leave it like that. If not, you just have to make sure they are all allowed. Then after that, you have to tap on the storage and cache. When you look down below, you're going to see clear cache, tap on it. Then after that, tap on the back section. Now you have to tap on this mobile data and Wi-Fi and make sure this is turned on. This is the background data. Make sure it's turned on. After doing this, what you have to do is to tap on this four stop over here, then you tap on OK when this pop up. So after doing all this, what you have to do is to make sure you check on Google Play Store or App Store to make sure your messages app is updated. So after doing that, you have to tap on your power button, then you tap on restart to restart your device, and this problem is going to get fixed. Thank you for watching this video. See you in our next video.